ban jingïada ki khana bat baniada ki na jingshah thombor katanat social welfare kala Pynkhlaiñ ka child helpline service dak ba pelat khat south ligi post ha kata katanat ha ka jinga kdo bat kilat pathai khobor na kaliang menteri ubari pe katanat social welfare uba polling do ulaang bakatanat kala dak ban pelat hadu khat south ligi post ki bakenthop ya ki IT supervisor call operators multipurpose workers bat ki post security guard khnang ban Pynkhlaiñ chu ya kata katanat Nalor kani ubak pol ulaong ru bakatanat kalapet mi ru ya ka women helpline service.
Kani ka child helpline kadai na banta ki kena ki badon kam ke jingirap ha ka ba de ki don kanu ka jingsham shitom na du ka balong ka sumar medical shelter legal aid emotional support or guidance ti nagbenta kini ki poro ke suma sukher ke jakasa ke jingirap haliang kaan ke jing kersan yaki bat ke jing lam lenti yaki haba kidon ke jing sngoe ngilap le kini ke service bat baro sikata ngidon tang we child helpline administrator henry mentak sngi ngasutuna Ajikiban yang aman itu IP bangila sanction sa khat southly ki post nak bentar kani ke service kani ke helpline kaban kenthop iwe IT supervisor shpongot ki panchim ya ki call iwe multipurpose staff but arngot ki security guard te ka child helpline number kadai iwe not khandai pra the helpline number is 1098. Yeah, we also have, apart from the child helpline, we have activated the women helpline, which is 181 women helpline. And I would request you to visit the directorate office because we have installed the latest gadgets and machines which will help to track calls and also track the response system. And also, there is a dedicated website which has been activated in order to enable this service to be at its peak. The advertisement is already out, and this is on the 10th of this month of August. The advertisement has already been released with copies to the IPR, the Director of Printing and Stationery, and the NIC. But with more call operators, we will be able to really come out and help those distressed persons in a bigger way.